Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair. I'm going to show you this 2013. It's a 24 BHWE. It's a hideout unit. It's one of our pre-owned inventory. I'm going to walk around the outside of it real quick. I'll show you the inside. It's a bunkhouse. It has a couple nice features on the outside. We'll start here in the front. It's got a power tongue jack that aftermarket somebody put on there. Is pretty awesome. It has the dual propane tanks, which are the larger 7 gallons. Your battery location is here. Let's kind of walk around this way real quick and kind of make our way around it. The only reason I should say that is this side, you can see this front pass-through bay all the way through. Large front storage area, your water fill station. This unit does not have a slide out, but it does have the Sani flush and it does have an outdoor shower, which is both good features. So as we kind of make our way around there, spare tires on the back with your bumper here. It does have a power awning on it, and it's going to have the front pass-through on this side accessible as well. And then the cool thing about this is the storage area that's accessible to this bed. So you have your bunks. I'll show you that from the inside, but I like showing people the storage area that's available here. So you can throw bikes or coolers or whatever you want in here. It's a pretty large accessible area in the hideout. This is a Keystone product. Let's go ahead and jump inside and take a look at it. So as you make your way inside this unit, you notice that they kind of have a big mattress on here. You have your front area for your bed. It does have a privacy curtain. You have your closets on either side. Your front sleeping area does have storage under the bed. And as you make your way back, you have your kitchen area here. And then if you walk towards the back here, you're going to have your dinette in the middle. That makes it also a large bed. It's a booth dinette, full-size refrigerator, rear beds in the back. This unit is going to have the smaller bunk up top and like almost a full-size queen below. And then you have your bathroom here in the back with a tub. So it's got a lot of nice features to it. It's pretty basic, it's nothing too crazy, but it's going to kind of have all your amenities that you need. And it does have that rear vanity outside, as out there by the kitchen, by the bathroom. At any rate, thank you very much. My name is Captain Kirk here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. My phone number is 541-601-8742. Anything here at Guaranty, I'm happy to show you and help you. Have a great day.